to use ChatGPT on your iPhone. First of all, you have to go, if you go the setting, software update, then you can see I already update with iOS 18 and it's a iOS 18.2. So you have to update your phone with latest iOS 18.2 and make sure you have Apple Intelligent. Just enable your Apple Intelligent and go to Apple Intelligent. If you don't know how to activate Intelligent, you have to select language as a United States, and if you go the general option, then if you go the region, then you have to select here also United States. Select United States for, then you can see your Apple Intelligent is enabled here. So enable your Apple Intelligent first and go to Apple Intelligent again, then you can see that ChatGPT option. So press on ChatGPT, press on setup, now press on next, enable ChatGPT. Now your ChatGPT is almost done. If you have account, then just sign in with account. Now let's check with visual intelligence. If you press on, then you can see, if you take the photo, then if you press on ask, then it's working, and followed as ChatGPT. It's now working. So this is how you can easily use ChatGPT on your